BMW of Wesley Chapel presents the 2023 BMW M440i Gran Coupe in Alpine White. LED headlamps and daytime running, 5149 weight distribution, ground clearance over 5 inches, set with these 19-inch bi-spoke multi-spoke alloy wheels. We have the M Sport brake calipers with 4 pistons in the front, 15.7-inch disc reading, the rear's at 15 inches. Front suspension with spring struts and anti-roll bars. The rear is a 5-link with cast aluminum upper transversal arms, twin tube gas pressure shock absorbers, M Sport differential, M Sport suspension, wheelbase at 112.4 inches, LED tail lamps that wrap around, and because it's a hatchback, you're gonna have a wider opening, it's a lower opening, power hatch to go inside to 16.6 cubic feet. You have a 12-volt charger, some storage on both of the sides. Split fold the rear bench at a 40-20-40 split, increasing the cargo to 45.6 cubic feet. This is a twin scroll turbocharged. Let's go inside, start it up, so you can hear that exhaust note. And they back the performance with a 3.0-liter BMW M twin-powered turbo inline 6-cylinder with a 48-volt hybrid technology paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission, achieving 24 to 32 mpgs, a 0 to 60 around 4.7 seconds with a quarter mile at 12.4 seconds. Takara red Syntec seats, 12-way power adjustment for the driver, 8-way for the passenger. Both will get the manual cushion extensions and they're heated. Aluminum Tetracon trim. The satin aluminum is going to be underneath it and around your dual climate control settings. 8.8-inch touchscreen. We have navigation with the pinch and the swipe click into the home button. And when you go into the car settings here, you just go into your settings, go into your driver mode. Here you can alter the sport to make it as sporty as Drive. The same thing for your Eco Pro. You can also split screen this as 2 screens, and you can tailor all these wedges to make it easier for your everyday use. Put it into reverse. We have a 360-degree reverse camera with full trajectory. Click onto these little camera icons here, and you can see all around the vehicle. If your backup assist, automatic parking, click the car, and you'll go to your 3D view. Nothing here you can do, but you can over here. Clicking on these little icons will show you any imperfections around to make it easier for you. Your car wash will show the trajectory to just make it easy so you pull right in for your car wash. Open up in here, you'll have your USB, a 12-volt, and your wireless charging pad. Your iDrive, and this is tough. I'm gonna type in an A. Sporty for your elbows. Open up inside a USB, and it's a pretty deep and long storage pocket. M-Spec 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. It's heated, it's multi-function, paddle shifters. The gauge cluster has your different modes select, so you can toggle this to make it more sport derived as you want or make it more eco-friendly. Hit the BC button and you can change everything there on the right side, so that way you can see your pound feet of torque and horsepower. Because it's the M440i, heads-up display, more of a flat dash that goes into the Harman Kardon sound system, satin aluminum for the door panel, 1 touch up and down for all the windows, memory seat for the driver, a smaller storage pocket. The back seat has room for 3 occupants with cup holders on the side and on the door panel, 1 touch up and down for the windows, Harman Kardon sound system, and you get the satin aluminum on the top. Storage behind both of the front seats, your 3rd climate control, 2 USB-C ports, and your air vents. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stop by BMW of Wesley Chapel to check out their new and pre-owned selection.